I am growing peppers from seed in containers. Should I use a fertilizer or will good organic potting soil be enough? If I do use a fertilizer, what should I use? And this is Deanna in Memphis, Tennessee. So she wants to grow peppers from seed in a container.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's very good.
Yeah, I like that. So what would you recommend, fertilizer or?
She could do either one,
Either one?
really.
Okay.
And a lot of potting mixes already have fertilizer in them. Organic or non-organic potting mix all have, sometimes they have fertilizer in them already. They will last up to 3 months, probably around here about a month or 2.
Right.
But if she wants to supplemental, add a little more organic matter to make it more nutritious for them, but don't go too crazy with fertilizer.
Yes.
Because you're going to get a whole bunch of green, and
Exactly.
you're not going to get the blooms and the
Yeah, the
nice
fruit,
peppers
right,
that you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, they gotta think they're starving a little bit, so you don't want to feed them too much anyway.
Yeah, so hold off the nitrogen fertilizer because we
Yes.
don't want too much foliage.
Right.
We want fruit, right?
Want-
Concentrate on the fruit, which are the peppers.
On fruit.
Yeah, but I would go with organic material, compost.
Yeah.
Or you can go with the fertilizer.
Whichever she likes.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.